Asteroid comes with the Deezer application. I can access my own internet account and a large online music catalog. You can access the Deezer catalog by voice. The music voice recognition feature works with iPod, SD, and USB sources, as well as with Deezer. If I want to listen to a song, I just start the music voice recognition feature by pressing this button and say the artist's name. Madonna. Then, Asteroid offers me a compilation and a smart radio set to Madonna. I can also use Deezer to access my personal playlist. Asteroid's available parking application helps me find nearby parking lots, showing how far away they are and their availability.